No trespassing. Well, this plane is new. I don't know if somebody just towed it over here or what. Got like a cool bench seat in it. Oh, it's even got a seat belt. Huh. And there was a big fire here not that long ago. I used to come here all the time. There was a mezzanine up there. But it was all made out of wood, so obviously it burnt down. Oh yeah, you can see they dragged that plane all the way from around there. This place is becoming a little bit more well known. It's like, usually I don't see people out here. Watch out for rattlesnakes. This looks good. Old utility poles. Oh look, I found a wrench. Looks like it might have been a ratcheting wrench. Gear wrench. 18 millimeter. If anybody's looking for an 18 millimeter wrench, it's out here in the desert. Right where I found it. Do a little burnout. No.
No? I thought you were. Are those guys coming right now?
Yeah. Is it the two bikes and a truck?
Yeah.
They waved at me when I went by.
Oh, they're just
Yeah, they're cool.
We thought there was security for a second.
What happened?
If this was an house, I got caught on a wire
on the hangar.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we let it go.
Oh,
I
wow.
walked in there and it was like swooping, and we were like, what the heck? And we saw it was like a string attached to it.
Oh,
It took
wow.
like 45 minutes just to get it in.
Alright, cool. Film it.
Film what?
Good jump. I want to do it from that side. Because that would be like the sickest. Did you already do that? I did.
It's your shit.
Yeah, go.
You guys all skate?
I run.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I did. That's cool.
That's a sick car.
Oh wow, that's sweet.
It's alright.
That turned out really cool.
Yeah.
Take that.
Send me that photo of me.
Oh wow,
Let me see it on the freaking thing.
Oh yeah.
that's pretty cool.
That's how we were doing it. The one person was literally just holding it while we were getting the like.
That's awesome. You guys got it unstuck.
Yeah, and it flew away too, which was awesome. Cause like we held it for a while. Like, we got it in the car. We're like, we're just gonna keep it with us, and like we'll drop it off at like a vet or something.
Right.
And then we're like, let's see if it can fly. We like set it down, and it just took off.
That's cool. Good deed for the week, huh?
Right.
That's cool.
Oh yeah.
All right, have fun, guys.
Yeah, dude, have a good one.
Drive safe.
You guys making a video?
Yeah.
For YouTube or what for? Oh, you've got a film Tony. That's kind of cool. These are nice bikes. They gotta be fun. All right. Ride safe, guys.